इस चैनल पर दिखाए गए किसी भी प्रकार की खरीदारी करने से पहले कृपया विक्रेता से एक बार स्वयं मिलें, अन्यथा उससे हुई किसी तरह की असुविधा के लिए आप खुद जिम्मेदार होंगे।
Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Tanzim. I'm from Bangalore, and this video is exclusive for FSA Entertainment, and we'll be showing our exotic flower fishes, which is located in Bangalore, RT Nagar. So this is my first flower horn fish. I call him as Sultan. He's one of my favorite fish. I purchased him when he was around 2 to 3 inches fry, and you can see the result. It's just 10 to 11 months old with me, and around, I guess, he is just 1 year old. You can see the head of his, it's bigger than a tennis ball, and you can see his color and his pearls, everything. So basically I call him Sultan. He is a very good breeder as well. He's fertile male. If anybody wants to buy this fish, can get in touch with me, and you guys can follow me in WhatsApp and my Instagram page as well. I have a page called Tans Aquatics. You guys can text me over there, and also in my WhatsApp number I will share you guys my WhatsApp number. And please don't ask for the price, because I don't sell fries. I have same quality fishes as well. From the starting price will be 2k, and the price of this flower fish is 9,000 rupees, slightly negotiable, and shipping possible through train to Mumbai, Pune, Chennai. And I have the second flower fish with the same quality, but this is a 5-inch flower fish. Actually, I had kept him for a breeding. I had paired with a female for this fellow, and I call him Turgut. Even this is very beautiful, 5-inch. You can see the head as well. It's like a crazy ball. The head was more bigger than this, but actually I had left this pair for breeding. So because of stress, the head is slightly down. After 3 to 4 days, we can see a normal head. You can see the quality. So most of the people ask how to select a flower fish. So basically, most of the people prefer small fries. So as per my knowledge and my experience, actually I have 10 to 12 years of experience as a hobbyist as well. And basically, if you guys are looking for a flower fish, buy 3 to 4 inches of flower fish, because you can easily see the potential of the flower fish. In a fry, for few fishes there will not be so much immunity, so few fishes will survive and few will give good result. So better buy a 3 to 4 inches of flower fish and groom well. In 3 to 4 inches of flower fish, you can see the future as well, as you guys can see the quality as well in 3 to 4. So basic things you need to see in a flower fish is head, and the pearls is the main things in a flower fish. And if you guys are looking for canvas, in the canvas, the back side, the tail is important. The tail is important in canvas. And in SRDs, you guys need to see the head, color, and pearls. So I have few more fishes available. Total I have 30 to 40 pieces of flower fishes right now. I have a small setup in my home, so I will be showing you another few more pieces as well. So this is another flower fish. This is called SRD. So you guys can see the size of the flower fish. It's just 3 to 3.5 inches, and you guys can see the head. It's like a balloon head. I have many fishes with the same quality as well. The starting price of these fishes are 3,000 rupees. If you are looking in this quality, you will get it around 3,000 to 5,000 rupees. You guys can see the head as well, and even this as well. Even this is a good quality SRD. So these fishes are 2,000 rupees each. So we have an offer only for FSA subscribers. Like if people are buying more than 3 pieces or 3 pieces, we can give this for 1,500. If you are looking for a single piece, it will cost you around 2,000 rupees. If you guys want 3 to 4 and 3 to above pieces, we can give for 1500 rupees. And this is a female, 40-degree female. Even this is a top quality female, good quality. If people interested, can DM me for price. It will cost you around 1500 rupees. It's very beautiful. And this as well, even this is the same quality SRD which comes around for 2000 rupees. It's very aggressive. You guys need to groom the fish so that you can get good color and good head. So basically for grooming, it's good if you guys keep a white light or a pink light, and background it should be plain blue, and keep a sponge filter. It will be good. And this is a KML, even this is a competition grade KML. Even this is very beautiful. So you guys can see the markings and the pearls. It's very beautiful fish. You guys can see the initial A. See the quality, guys. You guys can WhatsApp me on 9738687861. This price is 3000 rupees, slightly negotiable of this KML. Shipping is easily possible through train for Mumbai, Chennai. So friends, I have many fishes with the same quality. If you are looking for KML, Magma, SRD, like I have around 30 to 40 pieces more in my small. I have a small farm in a setup. I have 30 to 40 pieces. So if you guys are interested, I can share a video through your WhatsApp number. So if you guys like these fishes, kindly screenshot to my WhatsApp number so that I can share the price. So kindly subscribe to FSA Entertainment, and thank you Fahad bhai, thank you all. Allah Hafiz.